How to use Roblox Studio on phone, or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your web browser, then tap on the search bar. Now type Roblox Studio. Now once you're done, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply open up the first website. Then tap on Start Creating. Now when you scroll down and tap on Download Studio, as you can see, it shows not available for this device. So Roblox Studio is only available. Roblox Studio is only available for Windows and Mac. So unfortunately, you cannot use Roblox Studio on phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.